My name is David Scherba. I'm one of the co-founders of the Scherba companies, and we have about four divisions that operate underneath the corporate name of the Scherba companies. Back in the mid-70s, I was 15 or 16. My brother was a year younger than me. We started on a lark making a hot air balloon. So we found a used industrial sewing machine, and that would be one that has a much bigger motor on it, a bigger yoke so you can get your fabric through it. We found some wicker and we soaked those in garbage cans. We wove our own basket and we built our own burner system, as a matter of fact. We started getting calls because we were flying this hot air balloon from car dealers and the like, wanting us to put this 100-foot tall hot air balloon that wants to fly in their parking lot on a tether, just to attract attention to their car lot or restaurant, bar, whatever it might be. So after beating the crap out of ourselves for about a year fighting with this thing, I discovered driving from a sales call out in Toledo for the company that I worked for. It was a McDonald's, and on that McDonald's had a hot air balloon shaped cold air inflatable. That was really the beginning of our inflatable business. Started working out of our house. We had 2 or 3 sewers. We lived upstairs. It was an up-down double. We lived up. The basement was where we had all the hardware to make the blowers and the lights and that type of thing. And up in the attic is where all the material got cut. So that lasted about 3 years till the neighbors finally said, look, this is getting old. We moved into a building very near Cleveland Hopkins Airport. As the 39 years have progressed, we've kind of moved with the markets and what the demand would be. What we've learned is, okay, if you have a piece of equipment, how can you turn that equipment into the most dollars that you possibly can, right? So these digital printers, we bought them mainly to print our inflatables, but they're so darn fast that we're like, okay, what else can we print on? And now this wide format digital print industry has grown in the last 8 years. It's just incredible. Us being able to provide better product for our clients at a competitive rate and just up the ante that much more. I mean, if I think back to when, I first started my company, the fax machine didn't even exist. So, when I was able to fax things to people, and now with the advent of the digital world, it just changes things drastically. But technology, from a web standpoint, being able to communicate with my clients, but more so the technology in the manufacturing process, from automated cutting tables to, wide format digital print machines, to just, the software that we're using to develop our inflatables now. It's just incredible. I always tell people that ask me, the secret is there is no secret, it's just work, But in addition to that and staying the course, it's just don't be afraid to ask questions, lean on people, and network as much as you can, because people love to help. And if you ask for help, most people will help you.